Here we are getting to the last bits of everything at Ernie's boat repair in East Palatka. I'll take you for a walk around. Sadly, some things have been destroyed, which could have been saved, but no, that's what happens when you're under a time crunch. Another nice steering wheel. I should have brought some tools. Not sure if that would be fixable for my dune buggy or not, but kind of reminds me after a hurricane. You know, there was some squeezing done on that. Go back and look at the early pictures and you can see a huge difference here. Oh, we do have another trailer sitting here. We've had several people ask about trailers. We don't have a lot of them left, but there are still some around. I don't feel like going back any farther than that. So much is gone that we'll be able to do this like in one take. Just gotta watch where we're walking. Someone's asked about that type of trailer. I can let them know. I see the formula is still here. What else is this beast? It should have gone with the trailer. Don't know why it didn't, but that just means it's still available and the guy that was interested can get it. I would say a bit cheaper now. Because I hate to think it'll end up like the Wellcraft. Really the end of an era. And they'll make our way back out front now. Bikini top frames. Aluminum mast, foam. John Montgomery should go for these. The Kubota has been spoken for, but Shorelook is still available. So this little beastie here has been sold. I'm told this sedan cruiser has also been sold, but the little bass boat and the Sea-Doo is available. That's sold. The bathtub's available for free pickup, and so are these two boats. So, I guess that's about it. Until next time, come out and see Ernie in East Palatka. Plenty of pictures of the business card.